Ew. Why are you doing that for? Ew, look at all that drool. Gross. Hi. I see you. Boo. Boo. Wanna come inside? Boop. Hi. No? You don't want to come inside? You like your bike? Daddy found a bike. Look how cool your bike is. It's your first bike, huh? Can you say bike? Yucky. Don't put that in your mouth. Yuck. Yeah, yuck. We'll get new handlebars for you. Blah. You wanna come inside? Go on inside. Playing out on the porch. Come on in. Yeah. You like your bike? Wanna close the door? Let's close this. Close the door. Close, close, close. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Alrighty. Alright, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, you want to go outside? No, we're going to stay inside. Mama needs to keep it locked so you don't get out. My little skip artist. Alright, Leo. Leo, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.